In today's video, we will learn how to perform Hajj. We will learn everything step by step from A to Z. Hajj begins on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah. You will wear Ihram. After becoming clean and purified, then you will make the intention, Labbaik Allahumma Hajjan. And immediately you will start reciting the Talbiyah, Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. From this very moment, you have entered into Hajj. From now on, you cannot cut your hair, you cannot use perfume, you must stay away from arguments and all sins. Now you will set out towards Mina. Mina is a vast city of tents. Here you will stay for the whole day and night. On this day, what you will do, you will pray Duhr, Asr, and Isha as 2 rak'ahs, Qasr, and Maghrib, 3 rak'ahs, Fajr, 2 rak'ahs. But the main task is to prepare yourself, to soften your heart and turn back to Allah. The next day, 9th of Dhul Hijjah, you will go to Arafat. Remember, Arafat is Hajj. There are no complicated rituals here. Here it is only, you and Allah. Here you will pray Dhuhr and Asr together. Then you will raise your hands and make dua. Make dua with tears. Ask forgiveness for all the sins of your life. This is the most valuable time of your life. Do not leave Arafat even a second before sunset. After the sun sets, you will go to Muzdalifah. There are no hotels here, no luxury. Under the open sky, you will spend the night on the ground. Here you will pray Maghrib and Isha together, and you will collect small pebbles, around 70. This night will teach you how simple a human being can truly be. Then comes the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, the busiest day. You will return to Mina. Today, you have to complete 4 major tasks. 1. Stoning the devil, the big Jamara, 7 pebbles. Each time you will say, Allahu Akbar. 2. Performing Qurbani. You will sacrifice an animal. This is an important part of Hajj. 3. Shaving the head/cutting hair. For men, shaving the entire head is al-afdal, best. And women will cut a small portion of hair. Now, most of the restrictions of Ihram are lifted here. 4. Tawaf al-Ziyarah. You will go to Mecca and perform Tawaf around the Kaaba 7 times. This is obligatory. Without this, Hajj is not complete. 11th and 12th of Dhul Hijjah. You will stay again in Mina. Each day, you will stone 3 jamarat, small, middle, big. You will throw 7 pebbles at each. In total, you will throw 21 pebbles each day. Finally, you will leave Mecca. Before leaving, you will perform the farewell Tawaf of the Kaaba. Here your Hajj is complete. Remember, Hajj is not just an abad, act of worship. It is the biggest reset of your life. If this video helps you, then share it. And comment, Labbaik.